Relax.
Uy, marunong ako niyan.
Try mo sa akin.
Ate Jolie, can I borrow your
hand? Yung kamay ko, hindi pa rin ito gagalit. Hindi pa rin yung gagalit.
Toothbrush. Ano siya? Ano?
Ayan.
second joint?
Hindi na. Kanina lang na. Right. We're going, like, make it pop.
Yeah. Gina.
Right, give me your hand.
I just did it with my own one. I got
Pag ikaw okay lang, pag
Alam, sarili ko to dapat, di ba, Ate Jazz? Ikaw, gagawin mo yung pet peeve mo, okay lang, di ba?
Wait, kayo!
Pero pag
Ihi kasi. Ihi yung pet peeve ko.
Wala yun. Hindi kahit ako, di ko gagawin. Hindi yung mga ganun. Pag pet peeve mo, gagawin mo pag ikaw kaya mo, di ba?
Pero pag sa iba-iba.
Nakakainis.
Ang tatlo.
ambon, chihuahua.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. JP?
Sure.
Inom tayo vitamins
Kunya
mo.
na po. Mabunol niya.
Ate Jess. Thank you very much.
Sure, nas.
Ba, anong bayad mo dun? Wala lang, thank you. Pagmamahal ni JM. Ate Jazz,
Yes?
yung bayad ko po pagmamahal ni JM.
So jealous.
Oh, sure! Bro.
Give me your hand. First, find the joint. I feel joint. Tapos,
Dito yung support. Yan, ito. Hindi ka pa nagyari.
it's his kamay. Meron ka bang joint?
Oh, ito. Ito yung joints. Tapos dito yung support. Ay, wala na. Wala na. Wala nga yan. Pero hindi pa ito naputok. Hindi pa.
Load the chocolate, rain on.
Hindi, this is impossible.
Rain on disasters.
Pabula mo.
Tumulog na.
Kahit baliin nyo nga yan, wala nga yan.
Nasa?
Pati yung likod ko. Matigas yung likod ko. Wala pang nak... Oh, si Jaren natutulong. Kung kanina.
Baka napatok na.
Hindi, nagmasahe kasi si ano. Si Atlas. Mga after 1 hour, yan, meron na ulit. Nag-cool down na yan. Kuya, sa'yo na, ano na Jaren? Ha? Naputok na Jaren sa'yo?
Hindi naputok ko na kanya.
Easy.
Ito.
Ha? Ano? Layo.
Mukha yun. Tumulog na eh.
I already did mine. Easy, bro. Oh, yes.
Ito meron to.
Binabali mo na.
Hindi, meron yun.
Aba.
Okay.
Baliin mo pa. Ito. Kain ka malikod ka.
Kaya ko yun. Kaya ko yun. Nakakatawa. Don't do that again.
Kai. I have my daily routine, bro.
Wala sa akin.
Ako nga.
Oh, kakatot-brush ko lang. You're lying.
May bawang pa rin, be.
No. Baho ng meaning ako.
Kapabiling nito. Kakakot-brush ko lang,
Ay, kakatot-brush mo lang, di ba?
Gumaganti ka.
No. Ew! Oh!
Yeah, I'm just gonna sleep here in a minute.
What if
You're the
you
one
finish
who-
your things for your brows?
There's still a lot.
How long does that last you?
6 months.
6 months?
Oh, 24.
No, I'm asking you how long it lasts.
6. I'd say 6. Oh, for me, more than a year.
Huh?
More than a year.
More than a year. Tired. You look tired.
I look handsome.
Yeah.
Handsome ma.
Tired.
You look handsome ma.
Narinig mo yung kuya dun sa...
Yeah, I hear it. That came from the plastic friend, bro. I'm a cartoon friend.
Plastic friend.
K and A. It does not say Kai.
It does
That's the
say
initial of
Kai.
your boyfriend.
What are you talking about?
Andrew.
I don't have a boyfriend.
Andrew.
Huh?
Andrew. Andrew. What's
It's Kai. It actually does say Kai.
No, it doesn't. I'm not
Yes, it does.
Andrew.
Andre.
Ansoy.
You'll never get it actually.
Why?
Because it's just my name. It's my second name.
Oh, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Keisha.
Kai's second name.
Ano yung second name? Angela.
Montenola.
That's my
Surname
last
yun.
You liar. Kai, Keisha, Danielle.
name. And exactly, you don't know
Yeah,
my
Keisha,
second
Danielle,
name.
Montenola.
Keisha
Andrew.
No! It's not Andrew.
What's up?
Allen.
Alex.
Alex.
Alan.
Never know, you'll
Alan.
never know.
Alan.
Trust me, it's too cool to be, you know.
It's too cool.
Anong ginamit mong panulat dyan?
Angela.
It's my mom's name.
Saan?
Wala.
You don't.
They're
You have a
hallucinating.
tattoo. You don't want.
Meron. Gusto mo magka-tattoo? Dito.
Don't
Ah, did you used to be bigger?
97.
Kilograms? How much do you weigh now?
70.
Did you lose a lot of? You lost a lot?
Parang 3 to 4 months siguro. O mga 3 months.
Huh? You're homie, bro.
Apat yung kilo niya, bro.
Yeah, you got it, bro. You want? I like further. Wait.
No, yes.
Be right back.
Bro, fix my hair.
What if we're gonna sweat? If you no, don't do it today. Because if you sweat, the wax is gonna go on your forehead.
It's okay, bro.
You're gonna get pimples.
That's fair, that's fair. No! Ay! Malinis na ba? Tingnan. Malinis na. Mas maganda nga ganyan. Natagal. Kaya you want to do
Ako nga.
this one?
What's that?
Tatanggal ako na. Oh. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. It's okay. Everything will be alright. Thinking about
Chicken view.
so smooth. Ano ni? Ito ni? Alm? Ano kay alm dyan?
Nga ba?
Parang pa ko.
Nga ba day? Wala ko kita na ba?
No kay alm there. That's crazy. I just noticed that. Do you have moles in your face?
Yeah, I have a lot.
Do you have?
Oo, ay, gusto ko dalawa. Tatlo.
I don't have.
Ito ba taga si Michael Pangilinan?
Oh,
Gwen.
lol.
Si Michael Pangilinan. Ayun.
Wait, look at my finger. Stop. Diyan ka lang.
Mamaniki.
Ako din, pa-try.
Nang?
Ako din.
Dapat walang sunog, walang pop.
Hindi yan mewing. Ang mewing, dapat walang... Ganun lang.
Patry nga,
Kaya
mamaya.
kailangan ko ng ma-diagnose ka pa ng something dito eh. Kasi palagi kasi ako nagaganon. Ate Jo.
My kid is perfect!
Palagi kasi ako nagaganon. Parang na ano sa...
Maramdaman mo yung kay Colette Jaren.